statutory rape and molestation.
I'm aware that one such sexual abuse na children can experience is, I guess, yung parang child pornography.
Ang pinaka-aware ako is yung madalas napapakita sa TV is yung child pornography.
So I'm very heartbroken and angry that this is even a thing, because children deserve to just to be innocent, to just be playing around. Like, yun lang dapat yung nasa isip nila, pero instead they're being traumatized.
Siyempre nakakalungkot kasi siyempre mga bata, so wala sila talagang kamuwang-muwang sa mundo ganun. So parang 'di ba, sobrang innocent, tapos ganun kaaga babawian mo ng innocence. So it's very disheartening to hear cases of child sexual.
Talagang nakakalungkot siya sa part ko kasi as bata, wala pa talaga silang alam or di pa sila aware sa realidad. So yung knowing na na-experience nila yun, syempre sobrang nakaka-heartbreak yun para sa atin.
I think it definitely, it's a form of trauma. So parang, ayun, it's hard to navigate trauma as you age, especially trauma that you got from your childhood, and especially sexual trauma.
Lack of trust issues, they might have difficulty befriending others or meeting new people, and depression, and nightmares as well, or maybe even anger issues.
For me, I think yung pinaka-impact is trauma talaga, na talagang madadala nila hanggang pagtanda.
Just make them feel safe, gano'n.
By supporting yung mga organization na nagpo-promote ng protection for child abuse.
Show them that they're more than the trauma and the suffering they have gone through.
Manatili kang matapang, tsaka manatili kang maniwala sa sarili mo na hindi ka nag-iisa.
From the outside looking in, siguro ang masasabi ko lang is, alam kong mahirap kasi, alam mo yun, sobrang unjustified, sobrang di mo deserve yung nangyari sa'yo, pero nangyari pa rin siya sa'yo. And wala kang choice kundi i-navigate yung buhay mo for the rest of your life with holding that trauma.